Ni kendo janeno. Jatatije kambi ma Safaricom Peter Ndegwa oyier matayo kamati makende mar rango weche mag oro e pacho ka. E romo mar walo kamati madhi rango weche mag oro, jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua nowacho ni kamati no nigi tich mar choko mwandu kod omenda mitiyo godo e gawo midhiero mag oro. Omedo kwayo jo Kenya mondo konye e chwalo kony mar omenda e lai ma ibiro gol godo joma yudo osara, bende okwayo ochwal mondo mi ochwal bath osachgi ne konyo weche mag oro.
The National Steering Committee on Drought Response that we are inaugurating today will, among other things, establish a private-led National Drought Mitigation Appeal Fund and mobilize resources to alleviate the impact of drought ravaging parts of this country. The President has established a steering committee to provide a framework for mobilization of additional resources following increased public interest in scaling up of drought response to meet the needs of fellow citizens affected by the drought.
We know that there is no single entity, whether in government, NGO, or in the private sector, that can tackle this alone. It requires the partnership and collaboration across all sectors, as Your Excellency, you have stated, for both short-term but also long-term interventions.